Think you've got biology all figured out? Put your knowledge to the test with this fast-paced quiz and see if you can master everything from cells to complex life processes.
What is the basic unit of life? Cell. Which organelle is often called the cell's powerhouse? Mitochondrion. What molecule carries genetic information in most living things? DNA. Which molecule is known as the universal solvent? Water. Which base replaces thymine in RNA? Uracil. What are stomata in plants? Pores for gas exchange. What do you call a cell with two complete sets of chromosomes? Diploid. Which organelle contains digestive enzymes to break down waste? Lysosome. Which organelle packages and ships proteins and lipids? Golgi apparatus. What are ribosomes commonly found on? Cytosol and rough ER. What cytoskeletal protein forms microtubules? Tubulin. What is the function of chloroplasts? Photosynthesis. What is the function of the nucleolus? rRNA synthesis and ribosome assembly. Which organelle is responsible for lipid synthesis and detoxification? Smooth ER. What is an enzyme? Biological catalyst. What bond holds DNA strands together? Hydrogen bonds. What is the primary gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. What process converts glucose into pyruvate? Glycolysis. During which phase is DNA replicated? S phase. What are Okazaki fragments? Short DNA fragments on lagging strand. What is apoptosis? Programmed cell death. What is the role of tRNA? Carry amino acids to ribosome. What protein tracks do kinesin walk along? Microtubules. Where is the electron transport chain located? Inner mitochondrial membrane. What does the Na plus K plus pump move per ATP? Three Na plus out, 2 K plus in. What is the fluid mosaic model? Flexible lipid layer with proteins. What is the main difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells? Eukaryotes have nucleus and organelles. What are the stages of mitosis in order? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. What is the central dogma? DNA to RNA to protein. What is transcription? RNA made from DNA. What is translation? Protein built from mRNA. What is the endosymbiotic theory? Organelles originated from prokaryotes. What is the largest organelle in most cells? Nucleus. What structure controls what enters and leaves the cell? Cell membrane. What is the function of the cytoskeleton? Structure and transport. What is ATP? Energy molecule. What is the function of ribosomes? Protein synthesis. What is diffusion? Movement from high to low concentration. What is osmosis? Water movement across membrane. What is active transport? Energy requiring transport. What is the function of vacuoles? Storage. What is the function of the cell wall? Support and protection. What type of cells have chloroplasts? Plat cells. What is meiosis? Cell division producing gametes. What is mitosis?
Cell division producing gametes.
What is a gene? Segment of DNA. What is a chromosome? DNA structure carrying genes. What is a codon? Three-base sequence on mRNA. What is a mutation? Change in DNA sequence. What is homeostasis? Maintaining stable internal conditions.